In today's video, I want to show you some homeschool planners for your middle schoolers. So I just want to share with you guys these middle and high school planners that we're going to be using in our homeschool this year for my 8th grader. They are by Global Datebooks, and you have 3 different sizes. You have your 5.5 by 8.5, you have your 7 by 9, and then you have your 8.5 by 11. So they're all pretty much the same. You have the different covers, and inside they have this little ruler that you can take out and put anywhere. It comes out easily. You have your school year from 2020 all the way to 2023 or whatever year you're going to use it for. Teaches you how to use the planner, study skills, goal setting, more study skills, tips for doing your best on an exam, internet safety. What I will probably do is when we start homeschooling, since we're starting very slowly, is this going to be part of her lessons when she, in the morning, I'm going to have her read a section about like internet safety, and then the next day she can read something about bullying and just reading the different things that are in here, because this is really good information. Mathematics, different types of triangles and angles and polynomials and formulas. Lots of different things for science and measurements just to have on hand. Solar system information, your periodical table of elements, geography, more geography, English, parts of speech, commonly misspelled words, which is very helpful. Tips for spelling, rules of capitalization. You can even use these commonly misspelled words into your spelling program. Social studies. More social studies, the Bill of Rights, the presidents, the amendments. It's good to know. Then then they have their contacts and their notes. And then you have a calendar for each month of the year. Okay, this goes up to, this is for the whole school year. Ends in July. And then you have your calendar here. So this is where your child will write all their tasks, and then you have a check mark list here. Up here there's a vocabulary word for the week. As you can see it, zoom in. And then you have this week's goals. There's a little calendar here. It tells you what week you're in. And then down here you have tips. So you have your note-taking tip there. So it does the same thing throughout the months. And it has the little themes on top. November you have pumpkins. December you have cardinals with the little Christmas tree, Christmas-y type tree with snow on it. January you have skiing, and so they have the nice little themes up top. I like that too. And then at the end you have calendar for the school year. So these are all the same layout. You just have the different sizes. This is the 8.5 by 11, same thing, just bigger, more room to write in. I always like it bigger so I don't have to squeeze in my handwriting. But my daughter liked the smallest one. So there you go. You guys can find these planners on Amazon. I'm going to link the Amazon link below, as well as the link for the actual website. They're pretty inexpensive too, so I'm going to let you guys go check those out if you're interested in these. And I'm going to thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for, I have a whole bunch of more videos coming up in line for you guys, a lot of more curriculum reviews. I'm just waiting for everything to come in the mail. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell when you that way you can be notified when I do post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.